Good morning, friends. Today I am going to tell a story of a little girl and her dog. Let's start. Once there lived a family of a little girl named Anna and her mother and her dog Rusty. They used to live near dense forest in their beautiful and small home. They lived there very happily and lovingly. Once Losty and Anna were playing near the forest. They were having lots of fun, but unknowingly Anna and Losty went deep into forest. While walking through the forest, they were very scared. Soon they realized that they were lost. Suddenly something bad happened. Anna fell into a ditch. Inside the ditch, it was dark and miserable. Anna lay injured due to the fall and crying out loud for help. Soon Losty did something that saved Anna's life. Then Losty ran from there with all his might and went home and dragged Anna's mother to the ditch where Anna had fallen. Anna's mother brought some people for help and they saved Anna. It was only because of Losty that Anna's life was saved. Then Anna was taken to the hospital. She recovered soon and this changed Anna's life forever. After Anna recovered, Losty, Anna and her mother moved to the city away from the forest. They lived happily ever after. The moral of this story is we should love our pets. Thanks for watching this video.